Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope better than me. I wanted to apologize for today's video. I had gone out and I shot a video. Okay, so what happened is I was actually retrieving my trail cam, which I shot that footage like 2 months ago. I went out to go get it. I was on my way back to the lean-to because I was going to be doing some other things in that general area. And I noticed as I was walking, I look over, I kind of noticed over that had been some wood cut. You know, for some reason I picked it up. I noticed, oh, someone's been cutting wood. Didn't really think too much of it. Kept walking, got to that little clearing area, and then I look over. The fire pit had caught my eye, and I look over, and it had been recent. And I said, oh. And then I noticed the beer cans or aluminum cans that were thrown into the fire pit. So then I turned on the camera and I said, hey, someone's been here. You know, they used the fire pit. You know, there was some wood in the area that I picked up and showed. I'm like, hey, you know, look, they've been cutting wood. And they made a fire, and then they burned their cans. And I expressed my disagreement with the cans, which, you know, everyone who knows me should know, you know, big pet peeve of mine, littering. And I said, you know, I had some choice words off camera. And I said, well, I shot, there was actually like a several minute video that, and somehow the footage, I must have moved it to another folder on accident and then threw that other piece in there that was part of another video. So total F up on my part, you know, my apologies. I usually watch my video while I'm uploading it on YouTube, and I didn't. I think I was watching something else at the time. So that's all on me. I even lost subscribers. The video got a lot of downvotes when I last checked. Deserving, you know, I'm only human. I make mistakes. I usually try to catch that stuff. Sometimes I'll put in a double clip. You know, I'll trim a section, and then I'll put both of them in. That's happened a couple of times. Just, you know, I'm not perfect, so I wanted to apologize for today's video. And I got a new cast iron cooking video coming up at midnight, and then I think I have, do I have this whole week scheduled? I don't know if I do. I'll have to check. But I got videos I can upload, and hopefully we'll get back on track. So again, apologies. Have a great day. Hope you enjoy the rest of the videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.